Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create, install, and download your DuoLingo application on your phone. Actually, I'm using an Apple phone right now. If you want to use a Android phone, that is perfectly fine, okay? It's actually the same process if it's either Android, iOS, even your tablet, okay? And by the way, to get started here, I just want you to hop on your settings real quickly here, and then just go to General tab right here. And then click on software update. We just want to make sure we have the best iOS version we have available on our end. And that being said, since I have the best available version, I'm gonna skip that, and next step should be App Store. Let me just go back to the landing page so you can follow through. So this should be the landing page of App Store, right? Now just click on the search bar and type in DuoLingo. Perfect, and then it will give you a few results here. Just make sure you choose the one that has a green bird icon. Actually, there are two. Do not click DuoLingo Math, that's a different app. We're gonna click DuoLingo Language Lessons. So for this one, it's gonna be green with a bird logo in front of it, and then it's gonna say that it's gonna be open. I'm sure that if you don't have it yet, on your end it's gonna say get or download or install. Please do so. It says open on my end because I already pre-installed it earlier to save time. Now click on open right here, and it will ask us to get started, or I have already an account. That being said, if you click get started right here, it will ask you a few questions. We don't actually need this just yet. We're gonna try it out on a different video. Now I want you to click on I already have an account, even though you don't have one, okay? Click on I already have an account. So for this one, just sign in with your Google, Facebook, or Apple. I'm gonna use my Google right here. Give it a second, click on continue. And then I'm just gonna choose a dummy account right there. And then that's it. That should create my account. If not, I need to sign up properly on another way, but on previous versions, this should work. And that being said, I have already created an account on DuoLingo using that Gmail. I was just gonna send a code on my email for verification link and click on that one, and that should do it, okay? That being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.